Hi everyone, it's Giselle again. Welcome to our tutorial videos. Today we're going to talk about our bulk phone validator, Reachable Number. This is the highest service level that we have for Phone Validator, as it reports the most number of information for a phone number. Let me show you the results for this service type. Under Business Services, go to Bulk Phone Validator, and then you can scroll down a little bit, and you'll see a table here where you can compare the four phone validator service levels. So this is the reachable number, the last column here. This will report the current line type, current carrier with LNP check, or line number portability check. If you're not familiar with these, you can click the speech bubble icon here and it will tell you what it means. The porting information, SMS, email will be provided. It will also check if the phone number is registered in the DNC list. It will check the status of a phone number if it's active or disconnected. The location, state, and time zone will be provided as well. So now let's try to process a file. But simply upload your list here. And then you can click continue. And then identify your columns. And then continue to the next step. And finally, choose the last option here, the reachable phone number. So if you scroll down here, you'll see a preview of how many records are on your list, how much it costs, and the estimated processing time, and then you may proceed to process your data. So to see the status of your badge, you can go to your dashboard, just click the drop-down menu here beside your name, and click Bulk Dashboard. So once it's done, you can download the results here. It's important to note that the phone validation is essential, especially on the marketing side, as it saves a lot of time and resources from reaching out to disconnected numbers. By phone validation, they can optimize their campaign effectiveness and increase engagement and conversions. Thank you for watching.